Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today this weekend I am in Vegas, and I just made a stop at one of the LV stores, not too far from the hotel I'm staying. I was just actually just browsing, but now deep, I was also looking for a Pochette. I've never had a Pochette before, so I thought, having a Pochette would be an item that I can add to my collection. So let's see what I got. Ta-da! All right. So of course this is the dust bag. Ta-da! Okay, so this is called Monogram Aquagarden Canvas. So I'm not a big fan of a canvas item. I think the only canvas item that I had was just essentially my laptop bag. So, but anyways, so this one I think it looks really nice. It's blue, and it's got like this watermark. It actually looks better in person than on the picture, or on their website. So you can see like this watermark here, which is really cool. And then on the inside, it has 6 pockets for cards, and it's got this big pocket right here as well, so you can put like receipts, or I don't know, maybe like banknotes or something. And I think this is big enough to put like your keychains, your cell phones, and whatnot, and maybe like a little bit like a wallet, like a pocket organizer as well. So what I'm thinking of doing is essentially just carry it like this, or carry it like that, or I can just carry it like this. And I think having a canvas is going to be pretty practical, especially for this Pochette, because if there's any dirt or stains and whatnot, I can just wipe it out. Alright, well, thank you for watching.